This is a video on how to divide any circle into 24 equal parts with only a compass, as in a drafting compass. Start out with clean paper, like this. And a pencil. I'm going to use a previously used sheet of paper to get my center point on my paper. I know it's here somewhere. Let's use this. Mark on my center point on my new paper. On my new paper. So it's really very basic, and it's a 24 equal parts derives naturally from what's known as the flower of life, because it is 6 circles surrounding a seventh, and 6 times 4 is 24. So you just choose whatever radius you want. Make sure your pencil point or whatever you're using with is sharp. So we'll go kind of big here. There's your initial circle. And of course, flower of life is the same size circle around the original circle. Putting on my glasses here because I'm getting old, apparently. Alright. So, 24 circles total. You choose wherever you want on your edge. Right through the center, there you have a Vesca Pisces. And then you have a triskelion next, or whatever you want to call it. So make sure you get right on the lines. Going around the same circle over and over and over. Make sure to keep your writing point sharp. It is kind of a trip how much paper I have wasted over the years drawing the flower of life, just over and over and over and over. Reams of paper. For what reason? I guess just because I like the design. It seems to flow naturally from itself. Anybody throughout history, anywhere in the universe can draw it because it's just basic geometry. All you need is a compass and something to make a mark. So I guess I lied earlier because you kind of do need a straight edge. I mean, I suppose you don't really need a straight edge, but basically, we're just bisecting these angles. So, we're going to continue drawing on the original circle, but we're going to have different pivots, and the pivots line up right there on the old lines. So I guess I can just put like this. If I can get it in there straight. So start over here where I can see easier. Sort of. Okay, and so you just draw another 6 right through the center, and you see how they line up. You know, the circle you drew determines your next pivot, which is right there. And you go all the way around like you did the first time, and then you do this a 3rd time, and then a 4th time, and 4 times 6 is 24. Right through the center, you can tell that you're still on line because you can feel your stylus or your pencil point or your pen dip into each of the needle holes. I started there. I went to there. And this one and this one and this one are all equidistant. But I go to this one because it's the newest one I've made. You can see the pencil line kind of getting fatter as I draw. Try to keep your pencil sharp. Otherwise you have divergence like I did there in the middle, which is not optimal. And then you go there. And here. And one more. See, this one lines back up with the first one I made, right there. So if I were to choose one or the other, this last one would be off in relation to one or the other. So I'm going to try to split the difference, which they're very close together. So I'm not sure that matters. So now we have a total of 12 circles. And we have a rather nice flower in the middle. And now we're going to bisect a new circle, or a new angle rather. Any of them will do, but we're going to, again, draw on the same original circle as your guide. We're going to bisect this angle straight through the middle, like that. And so we put a right there, and so you do 6 more. The lighter you do your pencil, the less you'll have to sharpen it. And then, of course, you follow your same circles around. Stay on your center circle. That's the easiest way to do it, to have absolutely accurate 15-degree demarcations. Once you're done, without any need to use a protractor or a ruler as such, although it's helpful to have a straight edge to make sure that you're bisecting the circle properly. I'm just using a bit of sandpaper to keep my point sharp. Let's see, where was I last? So here. Nope. Am I lost? Nope. Here. Nope. Okay, I'm sort of lost for a moment. I know that I need to... There we go. This circle. Every one of these crossing circles should have a divot on the main circle. Right there, where it crosses over from the previous. Once these 6 are done, I'll have a total of 18 circles. And I believe that's it. You can see that there is a total of 6 and then 3 overlapping, which is 18 total. And then you have one last rounded triangle to bisect. Now your straight edge, make sure your pencil is sharp. Bisect the angle like this. Right here. And then 6 left to go. 1, 2,